Speed and velocity. Most people think they mean the same thing. They don't. And that difference changes everything. Watch this. I am driving east at 80 kilometers per hour. My speed is 80. My velocity is 80 east. Same number, different answers. Most people get this wrong. Let me fix that. We start with the first one. The difference between speed and velocity. Let us begin with speed.
First, average speed. Average speed equals total distance divided by total time. Watch my odometer, it measures total distance. The clock measures total time.
Real life example. I drive 300 kilometers. It takes 5 hours. Average speed equals 300 kilometers divided by 5 hours equals 60 kilometers per hour.
Let me show you on my screen. Distance time graph, start at 0, end at 100 meters, 10 seconds. Straight line, slope is average speed, 100 divided by 10 equals 10 meters per second.
Now, instantaneous speed. I freeze the car right at this moment. Look at my speedometer. That number right now is instantaneous speed. Real life example. At 2 p.m., I look at my speedometer. It says 80 kilometers per hour. That is instantaneous speed right now.
Position time graph, east is positive. Start at 0, 0, and at 4 line means changing speed. At 5 seconds, I draw the tangent line, the slope right now. Rise 40 meters, run 2 seconds. 40 divided by 2 equals 20 meters per second. That is instantaneous speed. Now, average velocity. I start at my garage, position 0. I drive east 40 meters. Average velocity is displacement divided by time. 40 meters east divided by the time it took. A real life example. I drive east 30 kilometers. Then I drive west 10 kilometers. To find displacement, east 30 minus west 10. 30 minus 10 equals 20 kilometers east. Now we compute average velocity. Displacement equals 20 kilometers east. Time equals 1 hour. Average velocity equals 20 kilometers east divided by 1 hour east. Position time graph, east is positive. Start at 0, 0, end at 4 line. Slope is average velocities divided by 10 seconds equals 4 meters per second east. Direction is part of velocity. Average velocity has direction, always include it.
Now, instantaneous velocity. Instantaneous velocity is how fast your position is changing. At an exact moment in time, your GPS shows this. Example, 65 kilometers per hour north. That is your instantaneous velocity, speed and direction, right now.
Instantaneous velocity is the tangent slope. At 5 seconds, the slope is steep. Rise at 30 meters east, running 2 seconds. 30 meters divided by 2 seconds equals 15 meters per second east.
Real life, my GPS. At 3:15 p.m. it says 65 kilometers per hour north. That is instantaneous velocity. Right then, speed tells you how fast. Velocity tells you how fast and which way. That is the difference. Here is the complete picture. Average speed, total distance divided by total time. Instantaneous speed, speedometer. Average velocity, total instantaneous velocity, GPS. Now you know the difference. Quick check. Watch me. I drive east 100 kilometers in 2 hours. I stop for 30 minutes. Then drive east 50 kilometers in 1 hour. What is my average velocity? Pause and think.